Hi everyone. Welcome back to Another Tech Tips. In this video, we're diving into AppSheet to create something incredibly useful. A visitor management system. Whether you're managing an office, a school, or any other facility that handles visitors regularly. This app will help you track everyone who comes in and goes out. All in one organized system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a basic yet powerful visitor management app from scratch using AppSheet, with no coding required. This is a great project for anyone new to AppSheet or looking to automate their visitor tracking. We'll start by looking at the app's main features, so you can see exactly what this app does, and how it can help streamline your visitor management process. Our V1.0 app has three main components. First, we have a dashboard that displays all visitor records, grouped by their in or out status. So you can instantly see who is currently on site. Next, we have a check-in form where you can enter visitor details. And it automatically records the check-in time for you. No manual input required for timestamps. Finally, there's the checkout process, where you can capture a signature from the visitor, and the system will automatically update their status and checkout time. This means no hassle with keeping track of multiple visitors manually. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up the Google Sheet, configure the behaviors and slices in AppSheet, and design the user interface to get a functional app up and running. I'll walk you through each part of the setup, from the table and data structure to building the form and customizing the UX, so you can easily follow along. So, let's get started and build a visitor management app that's both practical and efficient. This is just the beginning, there's lots more we can add in future versions. Let's jump in. Here's the dashboard. This shows our visitors grouped by their in or out status. Providing a quick view of who is currently checked in. For check-ins, we capture visitor details like name, contact info, and company, while the app automatically records the check-in time. For checkouts, we use a quick edit field for the visitor's signature, and the system automatically updates the status and checkout time. Let's walk through a check-in. We fill in the visitor details. Once saved, the system records the check-in time and updates the status to in. Now, for checkout, we open the visitor's record, add the signature, and the app marks the status as out and sets the checkout time. Before we dive into the setup, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. and sharing it with others, who might benefit from building a visitor management system of their own. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content like this. And if you'd like to take it a step further, consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials and tips on AppSheet and other no-code solutions. For those looking to get even more involved, you can also join our membership for exclusive benefits like template access and priority support. To start, set up the table. Set the table as shown. Next, we configure slices. Set the slice as shown. Next, we configure behaviors. Set the action as shown. Finally, let's build the user interface. Set the view as shown. That wraps up our v1.0 Visitor Management app in AppSheet. Thanks for watching and following along as we built this visitor management system in AppSheet. This is just the beginning for this app. I'll be adding new features and enhancements in future versions. So if there's something specific you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us make this app even better. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts or questions. And as always, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this solution. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video, as we continue enhancing this app together.